Yo Hustle fam! We're back with another banger on AI Hustle Network, and this one's for the beginners out there. Today, I'm showing you 5 AI-powered side hustles you can start right now in 2025, with zero upfront costs. No money, no degree, no stress. Just free tools, a Wi-Fi connection, and that grind mindset. If you're ready to start stacking digital dollars, hit that like button. Let's jump in. Side hustle number 1. Notion AI templates. Let's kick it off with Notion AI templates. Notion is a top-tier productivity platform, and you can use Notion AI to build daily planners, budget trackers, goal-setting dashboards, content calendars. Once built, turn those pages into templates and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, Facebook groups. For Notion users, these are flipping for $10 to $50 a pop. And once you build one, it's pure passive income. Side hustle number 2. AI YouTube Shorts Editor. Next up, become an AI YouTube Shorts Editor, where you can use tools like Pictory.ai, Opus Clip. These tools take long YouTube videos and turn them into short, viral clips, automatically. No editing skills needed. Then you can list your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Reddit job boards. Creators are constantly looking for editors, and you can start with free trials from both tools to get your first gigs. Side hustle number 3. Ebook creation with ChatGPT. Become AI ebook creator. Here's the process. Pick a niche: self-help, AI guides, finance, mindset, etc. Use ChatGPT to generate the content. Design a clean cover in Canva, export and upload it to Payhip, Gumroad, or your own link in bio site. People are making $10 to $30 per ebook, and once it's live, it sells on autopilot. Side hustle number 4. AI-powered printables. Number 4. AI-powered printables. Use AI tools plus Canva to create gratitude journals, meal planners, daily affirmations, fitness habit trackers. Once done, list them on Etsy and push traffic via Pinterest, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. These are trending hard in 2025, and you can make them in under an hour. Side hustle number 5. Podcast transcripts and repurposing. Last one, podcast and video transcription services. Use tools like TacticOtter.ai. These AI tools let you transcribe YouTube videos, repurpose Zoom calls, turn podcast episodes into blog posts or newsletter content. You can offer these as freelance services on Fiverr or directly to content creators and podcasters. No talking, no filming, just repurposing content with AI. And that's the list. 5 zero-cost AI side hustles that anyone can start in 2025. Which hustle are you gonna test out first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want a full step-by-step breakdown of any of these, just say the word. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and keep it locked in on AI Hustle Network for more weekly money plays. Let's get it, fam. Flying money fire.